The Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or TCPA. What is it? Hi, I'm Willem Mosich, and welcome to this week's edition of Botsplash TV. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act of 1991, or TCPA for short, is the primary federal law governing the regulation of telephone solicitations in the United States. The TCPA places limits on unsolicited, pre-recorded telemarketing calls to be made on someone's landline home telephone and prohibits all auto-dialed or pre-recorded calls or text on someone's cell phone. Penalties are severe for those who don't adhere to TCPA laws and regulations. These penalties are enforced on a per-call basis, meaning that they, along with private litigant damages, can escalate rapidly. So it's important that you and your enterprise comply with TCPA laws and adhere to their restrictions. Many firms do offer legislative monitoring service to keep track of the federal and state level changes to TCPA laws, regulations, and restrictions. Software companies too are adapting their products to reflect current and contemporary TCPA law changes and more. The Botsplash omni-channel customer engagement platform is no different and has taken steps to ensure that TCPA regulations are always followed by its users. This has been Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Mosich. Take care.